Hi everyone, in this video we would like to show how you can stop all the incoming calls from disturbing you without having to necessarily block any given phone number or contact on the iPhone. The first way to do that is to turn on the airplane mode, which will basically disable all wireless signals on your device, included but not limited to the phone calls. So you can do that by simply tapping on this icon at the control panel. And once it turns yellow, and you can see this airplane icon right here, that ultimately means that you have successfully enabled the airplane mode. The second way to do that is to enter the Do Not Disturb mode. You can do that by tapping and holding at the focus icon, at the focus shortcut, at the same control center. In here you can see the Do Not Disturb mode, which you can activate by simply tapping on it. You can also set up some custom schedule for it by going into its settings by tapping on these three dots. So let's go to the settings. And in here you can see at the turn out automatically section, we have various time frames that we can use or set any other custom time frames. So for example, let's say we want it to be enabled from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and be repeated from Wednesday to Saturday. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.